like today I'll be waiting at you. Good Faith, a God like me movie. Did me love about Troy Hago. Go on me good help a late. Chat and cheesy below. Can I wait to go to video? Me and Allie were always best friends through the year. Until Allie, we haven't seen her all summer. I miss you so much. I miss you too. What your first class? Math, art. See ya. Oh well, I'll see you later then. Cat, wanna get lunch with me and Ashley? Go. Lunchtime. I find Cassie to going May I have a word with you? Why you could grab me like that? Footland, why you find Cassie to work with us? Why not? They're free. What? Why? Because he's my ex-boyfriend. Why, Kenty, I got you move on. I have, but who likes the girl who dated your ex? You know what? I'm done. Golly, that took a while. No, it's alright. Let's go get over there after school. Bye, Cat. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Go, why not? Thank you. I'll get you a golly gift. No, you don't have to. I did. Thank you, but I better get going. See you tomorrow. The next day. Why could everyone keep staring at me? Someone spread a rumor about you. I heard that Cassie was the one who got it. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. Cassie could betray me like that. I heard you were saying how gun-fluid you are. I'm going to have a word with her. Wait, why is he smiling? There she is. How could you, Cassie? Me? How could you? I really didn't understand what she was talking about. I was so mad at her. Why did I even become friends with you in the first place? I can't believe I even was your friend. That probably was even my first fight with Cassie. We hate each other ever again. But something that was even more on my mind. Cassie was off. She never seemed interested in me anymore. Want to hang out today? No, I have plans. Oh, Okay. Did everyone wanted me to talk to her? Adley want to come to class together? No. Some guy could even ignore me. Oh, Adley wanna have lunch? Now I enter to my cat or car. Why ain't he picking up? Adley? Why have you been picking up? My phone wasn't been working. He could only talk about Kakaji. Have you heard Kakaji saying you're a fake wannabe? I felt that there was something weird about Adley. Why did he only talk to me because of that? How do you know it's true? Why could I lie? I only didn't know if I could trust her, but I do know who two people I can trust. Go your daisy breaker fate have rumor about you. Come on, then we're going to that don't leave. Daphne, don't leave it alone. They're going to make things worse. But they gave me later book. What was that noise? A phone? Looked like Adley. Why is there man and car and can't nobody take them? She told me her phone wasn't working. And I definitely can't trust her. Could she be lying? I don't know her power. I'll go have you figure it out later. I haven't told Dan about that. I would blame everything. So you think Allie may be making all of it up? Yeah, can you get through her power? Or cry? We're going to both fight on her. Kakaji, we'll fight then you and that you were ugly. How could Allie do that to me? Did you? Why would I lie? Let's get out of here. I will fail Kaki Mikey and me and Kaki relationship. She failed Kay and one guy rumor about each other. Maybe you could tell Kakaji. I can't always tell she won't believe me. But I got a plan. The next day, Kaki go fake. She was talking about you earlier. They kind of made fun of you while you asked how you're go kill Finn. With the plan to fool Adley, me and Kaki become friends again. Hey guys, look, there's a fake a bit. Look, Allie, don't mess with me. Good luck finding people to fool now. Don't ever ruin my friendship ever again. She apologized, but honestly, I didn't want to be her friend anymore. Go, I'll do anything. True faith will always help you. Faith will always fight you. A friend is someone you can feel comfortable around. Their good idea and feeling someone who can feel safe around and someone how to think twice for any matter. Someone who knows how to comfort you and help you got back time. Someone who you got out your thing. But one important thing is one who is loyal and will have your back no matter what. So let's go behind feeling. Golly, they can't go get a pickle if the real friends are bad. Everyone might having it at some point in life. You find your one day they felt the pain of getting their way now. Then they go cry to their mama. I may have felt bad at first. I know I made the right choice. I have true friend now. The end. I hope you guys like that main movie. Let me know. Tell me what I do more main movie. Bye guys.